You know, I thought I taught a putty tab. I did. I taught a putty tab. Sylvester is a big black cat who works hard all day long to try to catch this Tweedy bird by singing him a song. But safe inside my gilded cage, I just sit and swing, joining with the putty tat when he tries to sing.
Oh, come on out.
But I'm safe in here.
Please, come on out.
I've nothing to fear,
Oh, come on out.
except when you're near.
Won't ever
No one ever
get
gets
together with me.
you.
I'm so alone.
That's just too bad.
I'm so alone.
You sound so sad.
I'm so alone.
Now you're dead and mad.
Won't you ever
No one ever
get together with me? We could be together and in winter go down south.
I don't think I would see much, 'cause I'd be inside your mouth.